Okay, so we've got a tree diagram system here, right? And it says here that Alwyn often drives from Bangor to Cardiff. He always chooses one of two routes for these journeys. He either travels through Rhyadr or through Hereford. Now, the probability that he travels through Rhyadr is 0.7. So then we should be able to see then that the other possibility is Hereford, so it's got to be 0.3, isn't it? Because these two have to add up to 1, right? It's important to see that. Sometimes it says he decides to stop for a break during his journey. His decision is independent of the route he takes. Now this bit's key here. The probability that he travels through Rhyadr and stops for a break is 0.42. So they've actually given us the probability of these two occurring going along this sort of possible branch here. Okay, that's what they've given us there. 0.7 Rhyadr and then stopping for a break as well, and it comes to 0.42. Alright? So, the fact that we've got and there as well, you need to see that in and, when we see and in probability, we multiply. Okay? So the probability basically of going to Rhyadr and stopping for a break, okay, will be 0.7 times something, okay, which we don't know, but they're telling us this answer is 0.42. So we can work out what this is, okay? And we need to think, okay, what are we times by 0.7 to get 0.42? And if you just think of your tables, 7 times 6 is 42, so it's going to be 0.6. Okay, that's one way of thinking about it. So you've got 0.6 there, stopping for a break, which means they're not stopping for a break is 0.4, 0.6, 0.4. You repeat that down here, right? That's how tree diagrams work. So you've got all the possibilities now. Part B then, it says calculate the probability that Alwyn travels through Hereford but does not stop for a break. Okay, so he travels through Hereford, so that means he goes this way, but does not stop for a break, so he goes along that sort of route there. So you go 0.3 times 0.4, and 3 times 4 is 12, so you get 0.12, yeah? And the reason why I've underlined that is to show you, when you multiply decimals, of course you ignore the decimal point, you do 3 times 4, which is 12, but then you count how many decimal places there are in the question. There's 2 there, so there's got to be 2 in the answer.